Welcome to Module 6 of Website Design and Development course. This module focuses on building different types of websites. Websites are designed for different purposes. They are designed for different audiences and industries. So in digital world, individuals, businesses, educational institutions, organizations all rely on websites to communicate, share information, provide services, market their products, and even engage users online. So as a result, website developers must understand how to build different types of websites based on specific goals and users' needs. So in this module, learners will study building a personal or portfolio website. 2. Building a business or corporate website. 3. Building a blog or content website. Then 4. Building a learning or educational website. We call it LMS, that's Learning Management System. And 5. Building a complex multifunctional system. So that is what we are going to look at in this module. So, like we mentioned, every website serves a unique purpose, and websites are designed for different goals. They are designed to showcase skills, sell products, share knowledge, deliver education, or integrate multiple services. And that is why developers need to understand the structure, the features, and functionalities required for each of these types. Now, this module will cover 5 major website categories, and will go from simple to complex, and also look at how to understand user needs and purposes, because this is the first step to building effective websites. Now let's talk about personal or portfolio website. We'll look at its purpose. Okay. Now, a personal or profile website or portfolio website is also known as portfolio or CV website. You see it? Because it is a professional online platform used to showcase an individual's skills, qualifications, projects, achievements, and experience. Now, this website helps students, freelancers, designers, and even developers to create a strong online presence and improve career opportunities. Okay, so a personal portfolio or digital CV serves as a professional landing page. It showcases your skills, it showcases your experience and projects you've carried out to potential employers or clients. Okay, so that is what it means. Now, what is the meaning of personal profile website? A personal profile website, simply put, is a digital platform that presents information about an individual professionally online. It may include information on biography, skills, educational background, work experience, portfolio projects, and contact information. Now, why is this important? Okay, why is it important? Now, it is important because it will help you to build professional online presence, showcase skills, and complete projects. Okay, it will also help you to attract jobs and freelance opportunities, improve personal branding, and enhance your credibility and visibility. Now, the essential sections of a portfolio website include: 1, there is a landing page. We call it the home page or the hero section. This section introduces the website owner, okay, and provides navigation. A bold headline stating your title, specialization, and value proposition. Then after that is followed by About Me, which is a brief professional summary highlighting your background and career goals. It contains personal and professional background information. Then you will find another section called Skills section. This is where you state your technical proficiencies, your tools and languages. Okay, here you highlight technical professional abilities, such as you can talk about HTML, you are good in CSS, JavaScript, etc. So this is what. Then There's another section for portfolio or project. This is where you showcase what you have done, your achievements. You display completed works and achievement. Then there's the CV or resume section. This is a section that that include a chronological timeline of your employment history, education, and roles. This provides professional qualification and also experience. Now, let's talk about the contact section. The contact section is also an important section in this personal or portfolio website. It is a clean form or social links allowing visitors to reach out directly. It includes your email, your phone number, or contact form. Okay, let's talk about design principles of a good portfolio. A good portfolio should be: one, simple and clean; two, it should be responsible on all devices or responsive on all devices; three, it should be visually attractive; four, it should be fast loading; it should also be easy to navigate. So these are 5 principles that are important, that you should have at the back of your mind when you want to develop a portfolio website. Okay, now what are the implementation steps? Now you begin with wireframing, which means sketch a scannable layout. Then you set up. After that, you you include semantic HTML, then responsive styling, dynamic elements, optimization, then deployment. Okay, but you must avoid common mistakes such as poor navigation, unprofessional design, broken links, too much unnecessary information, and even lack of mobile responsiveness. Now let's talk about business or corporate website. Now, as the name implies, business or corporate website is a professional website created for a company, organization, or business to establish its online presence, promotes its products and services. Okay, so that is what it means, and it is important because it helps to create a professional online presence, increase brand visibility, attract customers and clients, improve communication with customers, and also support marketing and advertising. This can also help the business to build trust and credibility. Now, the sections in of a business website can include a home page, a value proposition page, an about us page. This is where the company talks about company history, mission and vision, and organizational values. It also have, since this is a business or corporate website, it also have what we call a service or product page where they display their product or what they do. Then they also have include a contact page. They include a phone number, email address, office address, and contact form. Okay, there are also sections such as testimonials or reviews where they showcase customers feedback and success stories. Okay, then we have a news section or blog section that is used for updates, announcements, and informative content. Now there is also social proof and trust section where they include client logos, case studies, embedded reviews, and industry certifications. You can see that. So there's also company profile about. This is where you see their team, their biography, the biography of their team, their core values, and their mission statement. You also see it can also have sections like lead capture and contact and Lego footers. Now, a good corporate website must be professional, have a professional design. It must be easy to navigate. It must be fast to load. It must have mobile responsiveness and secure browsing. It must also be have a clear branding and visuals. And let's talk about blog or content website. We'll look at its purpose and features. Now, a blog or content website focuses on content hierarchy, readability, and maximizing user engagement. The goal is to organize thousands of texts or media items, so users and search engine crawlers can navigate them effortlessly. So that's just the goal. Okay, like I say, a blog website is an online platform, okay, where content is published regularly in reverse chronological order with the newest post appearing first. Blog websites are very important because they share knowledge and information, build audience engagement, improve website traffic and SEO, and also establish authorities in a niche. It also supports digital marketing strategies and helps to generate income through ads or sponsorship. Now, the features of a blog website include: it has a dynamic homepage, blog post section, it has category and tag, it has search function, about page, contact page, and even archive pages. Okay, there are other like global navigation, newsletter option, comments, and engagement. Okay, the technologies that can be used to create it is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And other platforms like this can be used: WordPress, Blogger, Wix, Webflow. Now, what are the steps in building a blog website? Choose a niche, select a blogging platform, design a website layout, create essential pages, publish quality content. Then from there, you optimize for SEO, promote the blog, and maintain and update regularly. Okay, so let's talk about the one that relates to education. Building a learning or education website, we call it learning management system. Okay, a learning management system is a complex, stateful application. It tracks user progress, gates digital content, and handles interactive assessment while managing secure student and instructional user roles. Okay, an LMS or educational website is a digital platform that is designed to deliver, manage, and track learning activities online. You can see it. So it enables instructors to create, manage, and deliver educational content while allowing learners to access courses and track progress online. Okay, it is important because it supports online and remote learning, provides flexible access to education, can even enhance student engagement and reduce physical classroom um, limitations. Okay, so essential features of LMS website include that there is user registration and login, course management, course catalog, course landing page, student dashboard, learning interface is included, and there's a section of assessment and evaluation. There are also communication tools there. Then there is e-commerce checkout, that is payment gateway for either courses or subscription. Then there are also automated certificates. Okay, so what the technologies that can be used to create these includes front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Can also use back-end technology like PHP, Python, Node.js, and databases. Okay, so then LMS platforms include Moodle, Google Classroom, Blackboard, and Canvas. So to create a learning management system website, you have to first define the learning goals and audience, plan a system structure, then you design the user interface, then develop front end and back end system. And after that, you integrate learning and assessment tools, then test it for functionality and usability, then before deploying, and you continue to maintain the platform. Okay, so let's talk about complex multifunctional website. Now, as the name implies, complex multifunctional website is a large-scale web system that integrates several functionalities such as user accounts, databases, APIs, communication tools, and business process into one platform. All this into one. That is why it's called complex multifunctional website. It can support multiple services on one platform. It can also improve user convenience and experience. Okay, the key features you can find is you can see user management system, you see database integration, you also see involved payment systems, communication tools, and content management system, CMI. Okay, now Technologies that can be used, front-end technologies that can be used include HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, while back-end technology that can be used include Node, Python, okay, PHP, Java, and databases. Okay, so that is what is needed. Okay, so but like we mentioned, it is very important to create it. But before you do that, you have to map out step by step system architecture mapping. You have to map out. Then after that, you also think about unifying database setup. Then you do SSO deployment, state management integration, and lot more. Okay. Now, in this module, we learned about website development. Okay, and different types of websites are built for different purposes. So that is what this module is about. So this module have equipped you with practical knowledge and foundational skills needed to design and build websites for different real-world applications. So by understanding these unique requirements of various website types, you are better prepared to create a functional, responsive, and user-friendly website that meets personal, organizational, or commercial goals in the digital economy. Thank you for listening.